Hello all, this is my homework for the tutorial from Paul McWhorter in the beginning Python series. This is homework for number 18, I believe it was, the classes and methods. So let's come over here and you'll see I've defined a class of student. I have defined inputGrades, average grades. I have defined high grade, lowest grade, and print grades. Some of the printing I do outside, calling the internal class functions. Some of the printing I do in print grades to go through the array that stores the grades and just goes ahead and prints that back out. So I've declared or defined students 1, 2, 3, and 4, Tom Jones, Bill Bailey, Sally Smith, and George Washington. I've gone ahead and done some formatting as I call these. So let's go ahead and give it a run through. So I'm going to get the program out of the way. 2 grades for Tom Jones. He's not very smart, 77 and 88. 2 grades for Bill Bailey. He's 87 and 88. Sally is smarter. She's got 2 grades, 90 and 95. And of course, George Washington is the smartest of all. He has 2 grades, 98 and 100. Now I'm going to hit enter and everything will be called. So here we have the grades for Tom Jones, the average, the high, the low. Same for each of the students. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. There was one thing I did that I felt was a good thing to do, and that was as I calculated the high grades and the low grades and the average grade, they were returned as floats. I converted them to strings and also used the rounding function and rounded each to 2 decimal places. That's it for now. Have a great day.